What's going on, Pocket Theory? It's your main man, Suds, coming to you from the Tinker Closet. In my home office here in Austin, Texas, we have a very sweet, sweet treat today from our boys at the Crispy Donut Community. It's a knife I've never seen before. It's a knife you've never seen before. It's a Pocket Theory sneak preview. If you watched my unboxing of the CDC CJRB Hectare, you will remember that the CDC is no longer doing knives with pink sprinkles, but rumor on the street is there's a hot new design option that's on this knife right here. Let's get this envelope open and see what's happening. Man, that is sharp. All right, Crispy Donut Community and Pocket Theory, you're taking this trip with me. You're about to see this knife for the first time. It already feels... Holy shit. Well, who needs fucking sprinkles when you have this? This is absolutely gorgeous. Hold on a second. Let's just... Oh, that feels very, very nice. Hold on a second. Let's do that again. Oof. These stripes are kind of like a vaporwave, new wave 80s vibe happening. I really, really dig this pattern, and it feels really, really cool when you get a grip on the handle. I can't front flip for shit, but let's just... all right. That's not a terrible... That was actually a little easier than I thought it would be. Hold on. Let me see if I can do that again. All right. The blue thumb studs are very, very eye-catching, and this pivot screw is pretty damn hot. Put on your spectacles and let's talk about some specs on this little sumbitch, shall we? The blade length is 2.34 inches. The overall length is 5.57 inches. The blade width is 0.98 inches or 25 millimeters for all you people into the metric system. The blade material is 14C28N steel, flat grind, drop point, front flipper with G10 handles, caged ceramic ball bearings. These stripes that are unique to the Crispy Donut Community. You will not find these stripes on any other version. The first place that I saw this knife was at Blade Show this year, and a lot of people were comparing it to the Baby Banter. I think that's a very obvious comparison, and if you whip out a Baby Banter and you look at the two knives side by side, you will see some similarities, but you will also see some differences. The first thing I'd like to point out is the handle is not only a different width, but a different shape. I, at first glance, almost am starting to think that I prefer this handle. If you also look at the blade shape, you will notice a distinct difference between the Cub and the Baby Banter. I can't believe I'm going to say this because, full disclosure, the Civivi Baby Banter is my favorite EDC knife. I have a small collection of Baby Banters and I carry them all the time. I almost think I prefer the blade shape on this Cub. But you also talk a size comparison. You want to talk about another small knife like maybe the QSP Mini Penguin. CJRB Mini Pyrite is another knife that's in a similar zone. A lot of people are already contrasting the two knives. Yes, they do have a lot of things in common, but as you can see, they also have some distinct features that separate them and make them different knives. Who's ready for a little slicey? Oh, like butter. The Raccoon Cub is already getting some pretty rave reviews on the internets, and I will say, if you like this aesthetic, this is the kind of knife that you can actually carry every day. This is also the kind of knife that you can give to a friend or a family member who's not a knife collector, and it's not gonna freak them out. This is like a great first knife, but it's also just like a knife that you might expect to find on the front seat of a fucking DeLorean. It's like the knife that you could use to dip into a bag of cocaine and do a bump in the handicap style of a bathroom of a Miami nightclub on A1A. This is the satin edition. Of course, there will be a black Stonewash version as well. It's going to be limited to 75 of each variant. The launch day is going to be Sunday. September 1st. The price is $60 with free shipping. For a first look, first impression, I really like the way that this knife looks. I don't miss the sprinkles at all. I'm excited about this knife. I hope you're excited about this knife. I'm going to have all the information in the description of the video, so make sure you check that out. Make sure you go to Crispy Donut Community and check out all their stuff. This is Suds with Pocket Theory. Carry what you want.